Meaning of gangway.
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 Gangway. The term gangway has multiple meanings depending on the context. Generally, it refers to a passageway allowing people to move from one place to another, often on a ship or aircraft. It can also refer to a movable access ramp used to enter or exit ships, planes, or trains. In politics, gangway is used to describe a cleared passage for members of Parliament in the British House of Commons. In conclusion, gangway denotes a variety of narrow passageways or openings that provide access or clearance for people, vehicles, or objects.